Hello students, let us draw lines of symmetry of English alphabets. I have written few English alphabets which are having one or more than one lines of symmetry. Now first is A. A is having one line of symmetry, and the line of symmetry I have drawn with a dotted line. So it is the line of symmetry for A, and line of symmetry for this B is this horizontal line. Line of symmetry of C is also horizontal line. Line of symmetry of D is again horizontal. Line of symmetry of E is also horizontal line. Line of symmetry of H is horizontal as well as vertical. So it is the line of symmetry of H. Line of symmetry of I is vertical as well as horizontal. Line of symmetry of K is horizontal. Line of symmetry of M is vertical, and there are infinite lines of symmetry for O. I have drawn few. So there are infinite lines of symmetry. Line of symmetry of T is vertical. Line of symmetry of U is also vertical. Line of symmetry of V is vertical. W is vertical. X is horizontal as well as vertical. Y is vertical. So these are the lines of symmetry of English alphabet, and there are other alphabets which are not having any line of symmetry. Thank you.